Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at this Boulder Tools 56 piece heavy duty tire repair kit. See the part number up there in the right hand corner, BT4001. We got one heavy duty T-handle insert tool, one heavy duty T-handle spiral probe, one piece insert needle replacement, 2-piece hex keys, 30-piece 4-inch rubber cords, 1-piece long nose pliers, one knife, one jar of lubricant, one 4-in-1 valve core tool, 4-piece black plastic valve caps, four black plastic valve extenders, 4 chrome hex valve caps, 4 valve cores, and 1 storage kit. So, open her up here for you. Nice blown plastic case there. And inside you will find a thank you for choosing Boulder Tools, register and become VIP member, and a basic instruction sheet. So, yeah, this kit looks pretty heavy duty. Got this for Christmas. I got a couple little chintzy slime kits. These are just a lot heavier duty tools, made to last a long time. Nice big T-handle. And the hex wrenches would be to tighten or loosen that. So they do give you a replacement needle. And this is what you would insert your plug into and then insert it into the tire. So that's pretty cool. Here's your jar of plug lubricant. Obviously, here's all the plugs. And then in this other little case, here's all the other gadgets. Little knife to cut off extra plug material. There's that tool. You can take valve stems out, put them back in. Some caps. Some more cores. Chrome caps. Couple more hex little son of a bitch bolts there for these guys in case they fall out. Got the wrenches there. So yeah, just a nice complete kit. And just so happens we got a hole in the tire of the Honda. So not sure if this is going to be a repairable hole or not. You can kind of see it. It's right here. Looks like there's kind of a split and then there's something in here. So we're just going to see. We may need several plugs. I'm not really sure how far that goes over. This tire is going to get replaced, but not right now. Just barely melting the snow here in town, so probably not going to be any riding weather for quite some time. We got a shitload of snow in the mountains, so this is just going to be repaired for the sake of this video, and we'll wait for that compressor to kick off real quick here. Okay, So that's just going to be replaced for the sake of this video, and just to see if I can, so I can, move it in and out of the garage and around the yard if I need to, and just until I can get the new tires on it. So we'll set you there. There's kind of a little glare, but hey, deal with it. I've used these plug kits. This kit looks very similar to one my dad had has had forever, and the tools are still, it's probably the same kit. I'm not 100% sure if it's the same manufacturer, but looks like it. Anyways, he's just went through all the plugs in the kit, and also bought in a replacement plug kit and went through probably half of those. And we've fixed nail holes, screw holes in tires. New tires that they run 20, 30,000 miles with the plug still in them and never have a problem. So I would trust fixing this tire. Well, maybe we'll see when we get done, but the tires themselves are just worn, and so that's why they'll be replaced. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. This is your reamer tool. So you want to ream the hole out, and sometimes you can get the air to stop coming out if you put it a certain way. So what I've always done is just kind of dip this son of a gun in there in the lubricant. Oh man, these are sticky. Maybe we lubricated it after we got it in here. So now these needle nose pliers would come in handy. Get that plug pulled through there about halfway. Right to about there. So now is when you would dip that little sucker in there. Whoa, 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 I way fucked that up. Okay, that's how not to do it. You don't want to stick it all the way in and then just pull it out. We got a little slippery there with all that jelly on there. Normally, we'll probably put 2 plugs in this. I don't hear any air coming through, but it went in pretty easy. So, I'm going to grab another plug. So normally what you would do is you would only stick it about halfway in, and then you would pull it back out, and you would, well, we'll just show you on this next one. Way to go! Fuck up the demonstration. Now nobody's gonna know what the fuck to do. Okay, so we got our plug in here. Grease her up. And I'm gonna kind of hold this one off to the side just so it doesn't get pushed in anymore. And I pushed that one in a little too far, but so then what you'll do is you'll hold down on this part, and then you'll pull your insertion tool back out. And that just holds the plug from trying to pull back out. Most tire repair kits don't have this feature on them. I actually have a this was from a slime kit, and these, I just taped these together so they wouldn't stab shit in my bag there, but as you can see, they're a lot less heavy duty than this kit, and then this kit has its own too, and you know, they're just cheap plastic, which most of the time would probably work. And there's the little reamer outer, and then these are the plugs that came with this one. Might be able to tell that they are not as big at all. But anyways, that sounds like it is stopping the air. Grab our air hose here and just give her some more because she leaked out quite a bit. So this little other cut isn't all the way through. It's probably close to it, but I ain't gonna fuck with it anymore. I mean, this would probably get you back to camp. You know, if you were up in the mountains and this sort of incident happened. I don't know what was jammed in there when I pressed the reamer tool. Obviously, it fell inside the tire, but yeah, so then if you want, you can trim these down so they're not flailing all over. And there you go. There's you have it. So far so good there. I can't hear anything coming out of there. As you can see, I don't know what the hell I did to these tires, but they are fucked up. Look at that big old groove in there. All worn uneven. Maybe it had something to do with that A-arm being all fucked up. Anyways, so that's your quick little tutorial there. Hope somebody got something useful out of that. But yeah, if anybody's looking for one of these tire plug kits, I would definitely recommend this one. Like I said, I got this for Christmas, but they're on Amazon, so you could definitely go over there and pick you up one. I should start putting the links to shit in the descriptions again. Kind of been slacking on my videos. Not that I don't record. I have a ton of videos recorded. I just get so caught up on the editing part of it. And, well, not caught up. I just don't have the fucking time. So, try to do it as often as I can. Hopefully one day we'll get on a somewhat of a schedule with these videos. But until then, I guess we'll see you on the next one, boys. Take care. And girls.